In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Wix. If you're looking to organize data on your website in a visually appealing way, using tables in Wix can make your content stand out and provide a structured and professional look to your site visitors. Let's dig right in and explore how you can easily add and customize tables on your Wix site, making sure your data and information are both accessible and stylish. First, let's navigate to the left side of your Wix editor. You'll want to click on the Add Elements tab, which is easily recognizable by a plus icon. This serves as your primary toolkit for enhancing the content on your page. Once here, you'll find a variety of elements to choose from, but for our purpose today, you'll want to head over to the section called List. Within the List section, you'll see an option labeled Tables. Now, this is where things start getting fun. Here you can choose from different types of tables, each with unique styles and designs. Take a moment to browse through and see which one best suits the look and feel you're trying to achieve on your website. After you've selected your preferred table design, you have two methods to get it onto your page. You can either click on it to automatically add it or drag it directly to the desired location on your website. This flexibility allows you to easily position it exactly where you want it, without any hassle. Once your table is in place, your next step is customization. By simply clicking on the table, a number of options will appear for you. Click on Manage Table to begin editing. This feature allows you to add or remove columns, giving you more control over how your data looks and fits within the table. However, if you want to go beyond just cosmetic edits and actually change the content, you'll need to connect your table to a content management system, or CMS. This is key for ensuring your data remains dynamic and easily updatable. As you click on the table again, you'll notice additional customization options available. For a deeper dive into personalization, click on the gear icon, which opens the table's settings. Here, if you want to alter the way your table is structured, head over to the Layout option. This allows you to tweak the appearance to better suit your needs. Further down the customization path, the Design button is there for you to explore new templates or tweak the existing design. If you want even more control over your table's look, click on Customize Design to fine-tune every detail. By following these steps, you can create a table in Wix that's not only functional but visually appealing. With the right design and layout, your data will be more engaging and easier for your visitors to digest. So, dive into your Wix editor and get started on crafting that perfect table today.